Hello, hello, hello. I hope everyone is having a wonderful Monday. I am going to get a little creative today using our Club Couture for the month of March. It is absolutely so adorable. It is this cute little bunny and it says quality feed down below. And they actually, within the kit, they provided a canvas bag. You will see it at the end. It is a drawstring bag and it is so adorable. But today is super exciting because I'm actually going to do a really cool technique. I'm actually going to watercolor with our inks. So I do hope you stay tuned and I do hope you enjoy it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and I am going to outline our design with a white ink. And this is so it shows up and I can see it. However, we won't see it at the end. So I really just want to use it as an outline. So I'm going to use a light color that kind of matches the background of that canvas. In the kit, there is a vanilla ink. You can go ahead and use that as well. You totally have enough to do 3 full-size bee projects. So you will have enough to do the base coat in the vanilla color if you want. It kind of matches that canvas tone a little bit better than the white did. But I wanted to see how white worked out, so I went ahead and I used the white. Again, either one is fine. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to take the other inks that are included in the kit. You get 3 inks, Ocean Mist, which I did not use, Storm, and Vanilla. And this is the vanilla going on. You see how it kind of matches that tote bag a little bit more? If you wanted to do the base transfer, the base layer in a vanilla, that would be completely okay too. What we're using that for is just the outline. See how it kind of disappears? You won't even see it at the end. I am taking a paintbrush. I have a little bit of water off to the side and I am just dipping it in just like our ink is a watercolor paint. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with the Storm. I am not even taking it out of the package because I want to go ahead and save the ink that I'm not using. So I am just taking a wet paintbrush and taking some right out of the ink package and painting it right on the areas where I see fit. Also in here, I did not use the blue that was included in the kit. I went ahead and I created my own pink, and you will see that in just a second. I just mixed some white ink with some red ink until I got the color that I wanted, which was kind of this light pink. And now my favorite thing about watercoloring is that it's a hot mess. Like, look at it. You're like, oh my God, that's your project. That's crazy. You lost all the detail. Like, what are you doing? And you can do this on canvas or on blackboard. You can do it on wood. You can really do it on anything. Probably not wood, but you can definitely do it on blackboard and a lot of our reusable surfaces. And again, you're just kind of shading it in and making a hot mess right now. What we are now going to do is we are now going to wash that transfer off and we are going to reposition it right back on. And we are going to go over it with a black velvet ink. This is going to provide all of the detail that you guys saw that I just painted away. You're like, oh my God, you took all the detail out. This is going to add all that detail back, and it is absolutely magical. So let's go ahead and watch. And I'm going to put this all over the bunny. I don't want to do it around the outside. If you choose to do the outside black, you can do just the bunny as the base layer, and then now go all over in black. It's absolutely up to you. You get however creative you want. So now I'm just outlining the bunny because, again, I already did the other pieces of it with my first layer. And watch, this is so exciting. Here it is. Oh, look how awesome that looks, guys. Thanks so much for stopping in. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.